Last holiday season, people went shopping. According to statistics, Americans made up over $7 billion in retail sales between November and December 2021.
Yes, people have spent a little bit more than maybe they should have. The spending is up about 8.5% over last year, which is an all-time high for year to year. We had inflation, we had this supply chain issue, and I think people said, oh my goodness, I have to go out, I have to buy my stuff now. And they may have put a little bit too much on their credit cards.
Ding, ding, ding. That would be me. And now with tax season around the corner, I wanted to know how I could get my financial life back in order. Mark Fried, president of TFG Wealth Management, says it's all about staying calm.
Don't panic, get organized. Take a look at your bills. Organize the credit cards in terms of how much you have on each card, and then how much the interest is on each card, so that we can put a plan together to pay it off.
So what happens when you also have other issues, like you're trying to still pay the bills that you have while you're in the trenches with your credit cards?
Let's all acknowledge you're not going to pay off all your credit cards all at once. One thing you need to do is take a look at your current spending and see what you don't really need to spend, right? I know it sounds awful, but just try and cut back a little bit and take that money and put it towards your debt. As soon as you can get out of debt, then don't stop there. Continue to take that money, but instead of putting it towards debt, let's start saving for the future. Retirement will be here, I promise, one day. And you want to make sure that you're prepared. The sooner you start, and you only have to put a little bit away because time is on your side, right? If you can put money away over 20 years, you'd be amazed at how much you can save. Start with 1% of your income, but over time, try and get up to 20% of your income put away for retirement, and you'll be fine.
What if you're one of those people who are just like, I've tried to do this and I don't know how to begin? Where do you go to get help?
Just begin by just putting some money in the bank. And the second place you want to go is at work, if they have a retirement plan, and start putting $10, $20 a week in. Now, when you get about $5,000 or $10,000, look for maybe some help, a financial professional. You're investing your money, and you want to make sure that you get good advice. It actually isn't that complicated. Spend less than you make. Save the difference. There you go. That's it.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.